is this thing? Whatever it is, it looks brand new. I guess I'll take it. Some sort of meat chunker. Well, welcome back. Is it dirty? Gotta clean off your guys' glasses. Apparently says it's a grain mill. Kind of interesting. We'll have to see what a grain mill is going for. I think I see something there. If we don't break it, it looks brand new. Definitely don't look used. Ooh, what we got? Blowing apart axles. That thing's dirty. Should have put some gloves on. Old donkey's getting a tap in her. Again. What else we got here? Stub outs. Oh, pool noodles. Didn't we need a pool noodle for something? What did we need a pool noodle for? We'll take them. I can always throw them back out. Remember, we needed a pool noodle for something. Alright. Oh, we got a couple things right here. We found that table frame and a chair. What is this? Pot holder or something? This one's kind of rusty. Got a cast iron top, though. It's kind of cool. Yeah, we got a couple things right here. What else we got? We got an old chair up there and an air conditioner. We like air conditioners. We love lamp. That's an old chair, man. We gotta grab that the way. I'm gonna have to grab this air conditioner. It's probably heavy. Why they got them so far apart here. Man, this thing's crusty, huh? It's actually still in decent shape. This thing's heavy. Alright. Let's get this air conditioner in here too. Sheesh. Alright. About that time, right? Throwing out lawnmowers. What do we got here? Vizio. Okay. Where are we going to put the lawnmower? That's the real question, huh? It's interesting. We'll get this thing in here somewhere. Try not to crush our grain mill. Let's have to try it out, see if it actually works. It doesn't look like it was ever used at all. Alright, what do we got? 6 horsepower Craftsman. It ain't blown up. Well, I don't know, we'll throw it in there. This little side table is kind of nice too. What do we got here? Lamp. See, we love lamp. Ow! Ow, that squidged my finger. Alright. Yeah, I guess we're out of here. See what else we can find out in this mess. Well, we found a little bit of stuff. We found couple jacks, some automotive parts, jack stands, intake. It's all plastic, but it's going. A couple electric fans, air conditioner, push mower. That grain mill might be sellable. I don't know who needs a grain mill. Maybe I'll check the neighbor with the chickens, see if they want it. I don't think that's brass. Could be. We'll have to test it. Alright, we're going to have to clean out Snow White and go out in the morning and see if we can find some more stuff. Yeah, New day, new truck. Good old Dodge over there running. We got a vacuum. And a shelf. See if we can find something a little bit more interesting than that, huh? Not a whole lot going on out here, that's for sure. Clinical art therapy. Some more books we don't need, right? Doesn't look like anything else here. Cardboard. Somebody got a new mattress. Casper. Just got in front of the trash truck, so that's good. We found a couple little crappy bicycles and a beat fold up cart there. I don't think we can resell that. It's too messed up. We got an ironing board. Keep it moving. Looks like we got a water cooler. I think I got a rock in my damn, stuck in my pant cuff. A stick. Alright. Let's grab this thing, throw it in there. We got a grill. It's actually got a brass burner on there, but probably won't be able to get it off. We ain't taking the whole thing, we're degrading. Right? Do come out, huh? Alright. And there's no pins. It's actually, the lid's bolted on, so we'll leave it. Not real stainless anyway. Is that $10? Ooh, it's Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, this might be $20 actually. Damn, what's this thing? The wheels are good. Zipper's good. Handle's good. That's a $20 bill. All day. Especially for Tommy. You can get it back without destroying it, right? Sweet. That'll pay for the gas today. That's how we like it. Taken apart and taped together. Just perfect for the one-arm scrapper. Right? They watch the videos, they know. Anything interesting in here? Nope. Nothing. Alright, we tried. What's this? That looks like rocket stove fuel. It's pretty much about that time, huh? Grandma's got the wood stove going already. We hit the mother lode, boys. We hit the mother lode. What do we got here? A couple Minn Kotas. We got some Ryobi action. Heck yeah. This thing's garbage. Boat seat. This doesn't have a mouse nest in it. It's got a GoPro mount. My niece needs a new helmet. Her head's getting too big. Maybe she'll fit in that one. We got Stanley pressure washer. Probably scrap, right? And that guy. There's a cord on it. What's this? Hose reel. We can probably sell that. Looks kind of bent. Probably not. Hell yeah, with the boat motors. To test these out. Don't break the props off them. Definitely sell these. Definitely. A couple of $20 bills are easy if they work. And we don't break the props. Cool. Only takes one stop, right? Find some good stuff. Bike parts here. Some shoes. Bark buster. There are two of them in there? Sweet. Oh, we got some nice bike pegs. Dirt bike pegs. They look good. Somebody might buy them, actually. Fourth one in here. Alright. Oh, is this missing the... Where's the bar clamp for that other bark buster? I wonder if the end caps are in there too for the bark buster. Don't see them. Oh well. I don't see the pieces for the bark buster. Unless these are them. These might be them. For the one side. Alright. Worst case, we'll scrap them. Still not a bad score. Probably 50 bucks in that pile right there. That's cool. Alright. See what else we can get into. We got a fly in here. How the heck did you get in here? Well, we might have probably scraped out about $100. I would think. If these two Minn Kota motors run. We'll have to test them out. This one looks a lot newer than that one, but I'm sure we can sell at least one of them. This is a nice Tommy Hilfiger bag, so that's probably, like I was saying, at least $20, I would think. A couple stains on it, but it looks like all the zippers are there, and I have to check it for some jewelry, maybe. Well, we're going to transfer some scrap into this from that truck. Take a load into the yard. This thing might just be hooped, but we'll see. Get around to doing that. Not too bad. You might have harvested $100 off the street so far this week. Old Ryobi. Probably just take the guard off this bad boy, use it for chopping up aluminum, huh? Just take the deck and the plastic off and just use it as a chopper. Come on. Alright, well, the one's dead. This one works. This is the better looking one anyway. It's got the release clamp and all the clamps still on it. So at least we got one to sell. 3 reverse gears, 5 forward gears. Seems like it works. I don't know what they were chopping up in this thing. Looks like they're putting a whole corn cob in there or something. I don't think you can do that. Dry and wet grain feed mill. Definitely needs some nuts on the thing, but it works. Seems like it works. I don't know how well it's going to chop stuff up, but they threw it out for a reason. I don't know why. Definitely spinning in there. I don't know. Amazon saying it's $200 to $300 to buy this thing. A couple of them are around $209. Some of them are $300, $250. So I don't know. Can we get $100 for it? I don't know. I doubt that, but it's kind of a specific thing. But I don't know. We'll try it. Take it to the market, see what happens. Put it on Marketplace maybe for $100. Run some corn through it, see how it works. And nothing likes the cold, huh? We're harvesting all kinds of stuff off the street. Well, we got it out of the poison ivy at least. It's a nice standing dead red oak that fell over. I've been cutting it up, but this piece I couldn't get in there at all the poison ivy. Look at this thing, beautiful. Standing dead, bone dry. Stuff's burning right now in the stove. So I guess I'll get my chainsaw out here and probably take it to almost right there. Looks a little punky down here where it snapped off. Back to work, people. Winter's coming.